Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lavan for all of those who do not know, and I'm back at it again with another video. I'm going to be trying out curly hair clip-ins from BetterLength Hair. Your girl got her first PR. So you can tell I'm really excited. So in this cute little satin bag, I got the 3C4A bundles. It's 16 inches and they're clip-ins. So as you see, you just unsnap and then you place it where you want to place it and then you snap it in. And also in the bag came this needle and thread as well as extra clip-ins. So I really like that. And the hair blends really well. I was really surprised actually because my hair is kind of like a really interesting color. So I really like that. My hair blends in really well with it. And I'm feeling myself because if my hair was really this long, y'all wouldn't be able to tell me that because I would just be feeling myself way too much. So these clip-ins are the truth. Alright, so here I am unboxing the bundle. In one bundle it has 10 curly clip-ins. I got the Afro Kinky Texture 3C4A clip-ins. In order to give these clip-ins a little bit more definition, I'm going in with Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Gel and Camille Rose Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter. I'm using that on both my natural hair and the curly clip-ins. So in order to place these clip-ins where I wanted to place them, I just started by doing a horizontal part at the very back of my head and just clipping the clips onto the first section. In order to blend the hair with my natural hair, I'm wetting the clip-ins and then adding a little bit of the Almond Joy Twisting Butter. Not too much because I don't want to weigh it down, but then after I add the Almond Joy Twisting Butter, I'm going to add the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Gel. So throughout my whole head, I'm just creating small sections, applying the clip-ins and blending my hair. It was really easy for me to blend my hair with the curly clip-ins. All I did was just apply water to both my hair and the clip-ins, add gel. My curls naturally just blended in with the curly clip-ins. I really like that this brand specializes in making textured clip-ins for women of color and African American women who have kinkier hair textures. Although my hair is not the kinkiest, I like that my hair was still able to blend in with these clip-ins. And the clip-ins were really soft and had a lot of movement. So as you see me here again, I'm just doing small sections and then applying the bundle. If you want more information on these clip-ins as well as my promo code, please look down in the description box and you will see all the information that you need to see as far as the texture of the clip-ins, the hair length of the clip-ins, the color, and also my promo code. So go check that out for your girl.
So after I apply all the clip-ins, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of extra water and a little bit of extra gel just to make sure that everything is blended nicely. After all the clip-ins are in, I'm going to go in with my Evans 24-hour edge control. As you know, I love this stuff. I'm going to apply it to my edges and a little bit to my roots. My hair naturally blends in with these clip-ins, the color and all. I really like that about these clip-ins. It's really soft, and I know I can do any type of style with these clip-ins. And this is the final look. My hair is naturally blended in. It looks really good and it's non-detectable. I really like that.
Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.